Mother Nature. This work represents a worldwide call for us all to become true nature lovers and embrace a green economy based on love. In this painting, we see Mother Nature leaping into the sky with one leg raised to waist level in front of a Ginyami. The Ginyami is African symbol of timeless divinity created by King Adrinka of the Ashanti people of Ghana. The Ginyami is loosely translated to mean none but God, in the context of we fear none but God. None is greater than God. No one knows the beginning or the end but God. Her body represents our relationship to nature, especially our women, the life givers. The fire adorning the bosom represents the spiritual fire of the heart. The moon is strategically placed below her waist in order to represent the 28-day cycle it shares with womankind. She holds a large rose adorning her to remind us all we are like roses, especially women. The message is, if you mishandle her, like Mother Nature, her thorns will stick you. But because she is a thing of beauty, you will pick her back up again and handle her with tender, loving care. This analogy is further demonstrated in the wise teachings of Indian chief Soni Raina. Chief Raina states, man is the only animal who has made war with nature, and clearly we have lost this war. Now mankind must make peace with the earth, and it starts with you. You must first make peace with the women around you. This is the time when women will lead us to our salvation. When our women embrace their deep connection with Mother Nature and demand the spiritual instead of the material, her man will follow her in a whole new world. The hair of the woman of the painting is rainbow colored to represent the Hopi Indian prophecy. The Hopi say, when the earth is ravaged and the animals are dying, there will come a tribe of people from all cultures, all classes, all races, who by their words and their deeds will restore this earth to her former beauty. And those people, that tribe, will be known as the Rainbow Warriors. Let us come and hold our planet in reverence as our ancestors did. We all share one mother, our Mother Nature. The painting by Claude Broussard is in mixed media, imitation marble texture, and acrylic on canvas 4 feet by 5 feet.